Super, Cedra.
Hello world, what's going on? This is the week 2 update of the Givenchy and Onyx puppies. You know, the 3-time GrCh Rocko puppies I got on the ground right now. Yeah, them real steppers. But look, I'm gonna show y'all how I got my garage set up right now. Cause you know we about to have 2 litters on the ground. 2. We got Onyx on the ground, she right here. I built China weapon box. I don't even think I showed y'all that. If you follow me on IG, you saw it. Go follow my Instagram at Fresh Made Bullies. Just like my YouTube, Fresh Made Bullies. Go follow my Instagram and subscribe to my page and turn the post notifications on both of them. Yeah, let me show y'all how we got it set up right now. Alright, there go Onyx. Her set up right there. And I got China set up right here. I got her heating up and everything too, but ain't no need to have a window. She ain't even came in here yet, but she set up, she ready to go. Got me a little space heater. It is like 27 degrees outside. And it is nice and cozy in here. But yeah. Alright, so look. Let me show y'all these puppies. Now, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let y'all know the sets. I'm gonna do the males first and do the female last. I haven't made my pick on my female yet. No females are available. Everybody done sent their deposit in on females. I do have 1, maybe 2 males available. I might keep 1, I don't know. But if you're interested in any one of them, I'm gonna let you know. But first pick male, so I have second pick male and third pick male available. So if you're interested, let me know. I'm about to show y'all. Let me get straight into it. I had to make sure. I know him though by their little marking. See, he got that little white spot on him. I know this is a male. All right, this is a lilac male. We're gonna say he male number 1. He male number 1. He lilac, got the white socks on him. He do got 4 white socks, straight tail, and he got the short snout on him. Their eyes are open. If you can't see it on the video, their eyes are open. But this is male number 1. And these pups will be pocket. They 2 weeks old today, actually. Today, Monday, just to give y'all the time step. You know, as I always do. But this male number 1, he lilac and white. He got the white chest on him. Nice spread on them. They ain't standing up on their own yet, so I can't really stack them. Male number 2, chocolate and white. White on his chest. White socks. All the way around. Straight tail. He got a strip going down his face. I'll see it. I like this one a lot. This one of the ones that might stay. He got nice eye separation, short muzzle. Look at that. Look at that bull. Nice dome. Top skull on point. I like him a lot. I like him a lot, man. But then male number 2. Alright, y'all, then male number 3. Right here. He chocolate white. White chest. He got the white socks. This actually the picture on Onyx video when they first had him. This actually the puppy. The thumbnail that I'm trying to say. On Onyx video. Or the puppy's first video. He got a short muzzle. Nice top skull. He got that 90. Man, I'm telling these pup click, man. He got that 90 on that forehead. This the one that might stay. I don't know. But this male number 3. Like I said, first pick male has been sold. Second pick male, third pick male available. If don't nobody bust no move before they start walking around and showing me their personality, he might have to stay. Cause man, this boy dope. Straight tail. Nice bone. Big old bone. Male number 3, beautiful. And they will be pocket. All these pups will be pocket. Okay, time for the females now. Like I say, all the females are sold. They are sold. Of course, one staying here. I haven't made my pick yet. I don't know. I got my eye set on one, but it's so hard to choose, man. These females so gangster. But we got the chocolate female. We're going to call her female 1. Okay, there we go. The female 1. She got the white socks all the way around. She got a little white spot on the back of her neck. And she got the little white spot going down her face. But this female 1. Short muzzle. Nice stop on the top skull. They'll let you know how their head gonna be shaped. But this female 1, she bad. So like I said, I still ain't made my pick yet, man. It's so hard to choose the female gangster. This female 1. Okay, this female 2. She got the thicker white strip down her face. She chocolate and white. Short muzzle, as you can see. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. She got the white chest as well. Look at the spread on her. Look at the spread on that puppy. That puppy 2 weeks old now. She also got the split. It's her split though. She got the white marking right there. Nice eye separation. Straight tail. All of them got straight tail. All of them on top line gonna be on point. Great show quality bulls. This is male number 2. I mean female number 2. I'm sorry. Female number 2. Beautiful pup. Female number 2. Okay, this is female number 3. This is the last female. She lilac and white. Short muzzle. Nice spread on that chest. Short muzzle, nice stop on her. Very nice stop on her. Straight tail. This is female 3. This is the last female. And man, she beautiful. Like I said, it's gonna be hard for me to pick a female. All the females are sold. Ooh. If you're looking for a female, stay tuned to my other video. This is female 3. Like I said, all the females are sold. There's no females available. Okay, Bully World. Those are the pups I offered Givenchy and Onyx 2 weeks update. Interested in any male that I showed you, let me know. I am taking deposits right now. Deposit is $500, and we can work it out however. Send it however. Especially with this whole tax and these money apps and stuff. I ain't really feeling it right now. So just text me. My number on the screen. Text me, and we'll figure it out. If you're interested in Riot, Luciano, in China, text me, let me know. I got a few people that already hit me up. Probably about 4 or 5 people that are interested in that litter. So if you are one, I appreciate you. And if you is interested, like I say, text me and we can work it out. We'll chop it up. Know I'm gonna have some females out there. Don't know how many. If you saw the last video, the vet say she's holding anywhere from 10 to 12. I don't know. So we're gonna figure that out too. But I'm about to let these pups eat. And cause it's late. I know they probably used to be asleep by now, but whatever. But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you're interested in anything. Text me, comment below. Go follow my IG, Fresh Made Bullies. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, Fresh Made Bullies. And we out, man. I appreciate y'all. We working over here.